Rainbow of Sounds Music School kepada Nasional Maubri Riboy District kepada perlong sisim citayo ha kesin sajanya Little Flower Higher Secondary School Maubri kedon bunjait kirukom hikai ha kaliang ka tem kaput bat karwai kesiau keyboard, gitar, western vocal, Indian classical vocal, kasih instruments bat kasih vocal kikena agi bahan news nem senang kila banwan pentebit ha keneg music school bat amdan jinge nagam tagi belarang baru banwan pentebit ha keneg music school. Na pedang ki babon ki school ki balawan ban sim penta ha ki jingi kop shat bat penisap ka bala penlong ha ki kesengi ka bala rakai ka kesengi lajlo jonggari ha ka lengkhu dap snem ka bahan nyu penreu ka balong kum ka jing ai ban sim ka jing kentiu ki sap ki phong jong ki khana school bat ru ban penlong ya ka jing pensa jing ken mau ya ka ni kesengi bakrau jonggari ka school Morning Star Secondary School nongpo ha ketika jing sim penta ka lapni dek jing shat ka balalong kum ka khana halor ka jing im jong utirot sing sim ubri us im jong ka himanong khlau us im khasiu balanut ban yele persya yaki bor jong sarkar pareng men bagi dang sensyare keri India kani jing shat ka bala penuan dur ha ka kom jong ka khana kala penlong ya kamadan borok kawai bendap dak jing songulung mensim ban minyang krian ban iya ka khana ka balawan ra lagi khana school jong ka Morning Star Secondary School nongpo halor ka jing im jong sim bakrau jong keri khasi.
He is the legendary Tirot Singh. India had many freedom fighters, but let's not forget that Meghalaya also has some freedom fighters. He fought and declared war against the British for attempts to take control of the Khasi Hills. He was arrested by the British and when offered for his freedom, he chose prison after sleeping rather to be on the throne of a slave. He died in Dhaka on the 17th July 1835. Now come, I'll tell you a story. So that's the end of the story. Thank you, Gerard Prince Ian.